Hey, this is Amanda May of Art of Design. I'm showing you my new electric meat grinder for making sausage kublahu, hamburger meat, all the good stuff. So here I'm unboxing it, and then my husband and I are making hamburger patties for the very first time. A jalapeno chive hamburger patties. So we hand-washed all of the metal pieces ahead of time and then put them in the freezer for 15 minutes to chill them. Then we set them onto the base of the machine and then ground our meat. So we were shocked at how quickly and effectively this ground the meat. The product says that it can do 3 pounds of minced meat in 1 minute. You can do pork, chicken, venison, duck, any meat you desire. We were really impressed. So it comes with multiple accessories. The one set of the kublahu and sausage attachments, 3 grinding plates. Here's the fine, medium and coarse one blade and the one food pusher, and the meat grinder base is nice and hefty. It's got some weight to it, and the cord traditional cord you can plug right into the wall and use, so this is easy to clean. It is not dishwasher safe, so you're going to use just your mild detergent and dry it quickly with a towel, so only hand wash. We used one of the attachments, so they had the fine medium and coarse. The finest 2 mm, medium 5 mm, and the coarse was 7 mm. My husband used one of those to make the hamburger. I didn't see which one he attached. And then we hand mixed the jalapeno and the chive together to make the patties themselves. If we were processing a lot of meat or a lot of sausages, wow, we would be done quickly. This was our first time using a meat grinder, so we didn't really know what to expect. But this one really did the job nicely, and we're excited to think about other recipes that we can use and create and make with this meat grinder. So the item dimensions, it's 17 inches by 9.7 by 7.4, so approximately 17 by 10 by 8 inches. I'm rounding up there. So cool. I want to thank the company for sending me this meat grinder in exchange for an honest review, and I can't wait to use it more often. Once we were done with all of the attachments again, we hand-washed and then dried it quickly. I wish you the very best in creating meals for yourself, your family, and for your friends. Take care and happy cooking.